Hello and welcome to this video that is part of the FAA's National Drone Safety Awareness Week initiative. This video looks at business benefits of using licensed insured drone operators with a focus on aerial video, aerial photography for real estate, construction, events, inspections, and insurance, among others. I'm Greg Schultz, an FAA Part 107 with Daylight Waiver and MnDOT licensed insured drone operator. Join me as we take a look at some of the benefits of using drones as well as what they can do for you. Why use drones for your business? Pictures and videos are worth 1,000 words. They add value. You can showcase your property, your product, places, and events. You can capture images faster, including those hard-to-reach places, saving time, cost, and improve on safety versus legacy techniques of hauling ladders, lift trucks, using helicopters, airplanes. Benefits of using drones include aerial images to engage with customers and prospects. As an enabler, providing new viewpoint perspectives of your subject. Time savings, getting more accomplished faster, along with cost savings, less time waiting for costly alternatives, and safety, protecting your business, your event, the people and property, as well as patrons. Some additional things that drones can do for you include, as a land and property developer, giving you that bird's eye view and the surrounding area with property lines. Residential commercial real estate, show the surrounding community, stand out in a crowd. After all, it's about location, 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 so show the property and the location. Some more things that drones can do for you include, from a property management, show the location, perform management inspections proactively. For events and fundraisers, promotion, outreach, social media participation, marketing, showing the property, showing the product, the people, the places in the particular event. Some other things that drones can do for you, for example, construction and building trades, track and show project progress, market your offering. For insurance and proactive inspections, damage assessment, as well as preventive maintenance. Marketing and social media awareness across different industries and sectors, website content, mailings, blogs, catalog, and other content material. Now that we've looked at why use drones and how they can help your business along with different things that they can do for you, let's take a look at a couple of other things. License, registration, and insurance, please. This is all about promoting safe commercial drone operations. There are different FAA and applicable state licenses. Likewise, there are waivers and airspace authorizations, aircraft registrations and markings, as well as liability, bodily and property damage insurance. These are all to protect you, your business, your organization, and your event. What licensed and insured drone operators can do for you includes safe and cost-effective capturing of images, both still photography as well as video. They know the local regulations and airspace issues, how to plan the missions, prepare, conduct the flying, as well as post-production activities. They're also there to protect your business or clients, the property, and people. What it really comes down to, besides safety, time savings, cost savings, is allows you to focus on your business as opposed to doing it yourself. We have looked at what drones can do for you and your business or organizations, as well as different benefits for different industries, for different types of organizations, as well as license, registration, insurance topics. Now let's take a look at some of the things that can be done, and let's hear from some different business and organizations how they've been using licensed insured drone operators. We're going to hear from Joe Widmer, an agent from Metro East Commercial Realty. We're going to hear from Robin Anthony, the Executive Director of the Greater Stillwater Area Chamber of Commerce, as well as Andy Malone, Managing Partner, Stillwater Marine Services. First up, Joe.
Hi, my name is Joe Widmer. I'm a commercial agent in the Stillwater market. We do commercial leasing, buying, and selling in the St. Croix Valley. And I found it's a competitive market, and I have listings that I need to stand out. One thing in commercial real estate that's really important is location, obviously. And one of the ways I illustrate that better than I think some of my competitors is I get aerial footage from an FAA licensed drone operator. I know it's going to get done right, and I know we're not going to have any incidents that get our property in the news for the wrong reasons. I know they're insured, and I know it's going to get done properly.
Thanks, Joe. Let's hear from Joe also about his involvement as a volunteer on different events. Joe?
A volunteer for community events. I use my drone operator to put a new spin on a downhill derby event that we've been doing for years and years. This is the first year where we had drone operation that really could show the excitement from start to finish. With that, we had a lot of spectators and we had police presence. It had to be done right. It had to be legit. I think an amateur would have really, there would have really been issues that they're going to put your event in a bad light. So I was really happy I went with my licensed drone operator on that one.
Thanks, Joe, for those great perspectives. Now let's hear from Robin Anthony, Executive Director of the Greater Stillwater Area Chamber of Commerce. Robin?
Hi there, I'm Robin Anthony, the Executive Director of the Greater Stillwater Chamber of Commerce, talking to you today about drones and how cool they are. We have adopted them at our community events. We only use licensed and insured professionals. We're really focused on safety here. We have several community events that we host. The Rivertown Fall Art Festival, which is down in the St. Croix River in the park down in Stillwater, generates over 10,000 people that attend that. We also started a food truck event at Washington County Fairgrounds, and it's absolutely fabulous. We had over 10,000 people attend in one day, and it was really great to see the coverage that we got from the drones. It was very, very exciting, and it actually helps with us managing our attendance and getting some counts as well.
Thanks, Robin, for those perspectives. Now let's hear from Andy Malone, Managing Partner, Stillwater Marine Services. Andy?
I'm Andy Malone with Stillwater Marina. We operate a dry stack operation here for boats launching and haul out. Well, we have a lot of permitting issues here where we have to submit permits to the DNR. And when we have any kind of projects, we have to submit plans, overhead shots, view of the property lines, lots of great angles. It's important that whoever you use here as a subcontractor, that they're fully insured to protect the equipment. And can you imagine without drones, you had to hire plane or overhead shots, and it was much more work and more expensive to do it that way.
Thanks, Joe, Robin, and Andy, for those great perspective on how your organizations have been using drones and licensed insured operators to support your different activities. Where to learn more about drones for business and what they can do for you. Talk with licensed and insured drone operators. Visit the various FAA resource sites, including the FAA Drone Zone at FAA.gov, as well as the general FAA drone site, FAA.gov/UAS, as well as the sites shown here regarding the Drone Safety Awareness Week as part of this video initiative. Also check out different state and local resources, such as the MnDOT Aeronautics page. And you can find these for different areas, different states, different cities, counties, and venues. A lot of great resources, a lot of great material. As part of the National Drone Safety Awareness Week, FAA initiative with a focus around business, aerial photography and video, supporting different industries, real estate, construction, insurance, inspection, events. We've looked at several different things. Wrapping up, some closing comments include: look beyond the lowest cost. Use licensed, insured drone operators. Differentiate your subject in the crowd, whether it's a place, a product, a venue. Stand out. Get those bird's eye perspective views. Reduce time, cost, and improve safety. I'm Greg Schultz. On behalf of myself and fellow licensed insured drone operators, thank you for watching. Look forward to visiting with you in the future. Fly safe, fly smart, and it's time for me to fly away.